Alright, we are here at Cedar Point. This was a complete bonus. I figured out that, so I work at Six Flags, and I figured out that through my work ID I can get into Cedar Point for free, and so we just added this, and we were driving by Cedar Point, so we just kind of added this last minute, like insanely last minute. So I have like 4 hours in the park, and then a few days is Hershey, then a few days after that is Kings Island. So that's this trip laid out. Yeah, this is an impulsive visit to Cedar Point. Okay, so I haven't updated you guys in hot. So I rode Maverick. Can't see it. I rode Maverick. And then I just got off of a ride on Steel Vengeance. I gotta rework my rankings, because from what I remember, Maverick was slightly better than Vengeance. I mean, this Maverick wasn't amazing. Didn't hit as strong as I thought it, as I remember it does. And Steve just so yeah, I would probably put Steel Vengeance ahead of Maverick now, just because it's so awesome. God, the Steel Vengeance was unbelievable. Other than that, it's park closed, but I might come here tomorrow morning, and then we're driving to Hershey. And this has been an awesome start to the trip, especially considering this was bonus. We didn't plan on coming here at all. We did not plan on coming here. And the fact that we were able to come here and I got a ton of footage, and I was able to get rides on coasters I haven't ridden for years. I'm so glad. I wanted to get a ride on Millie. It's been closed this entire day. Well, it was open earlier, but I wasn't in the park then. I was filming from outside the park. This day has been amazing, and I might be here tomorrow morning, so if the vlog continues, that'll be day 2. That'll wrap up today's Cedar Point. See you tomorrow. Day 2, Max. Can't get in yet because it is, I do not have an early entry ticket or anything, so I'm just kind of waiting out for the front entrance. It's 9:30 or so. I'm here till 12:30. Should be pretty fun. We are in the park. I'm gonna try and get a ride on Millennium Force. just because that ride is freaking unreal. So I'm gonna try, but I hope it's open. I really hope it's open. It wasn't open yesterday. I just got up to a back row ride on Millennium Force, and let me tell you, this thing deserves way more credit than it gets. This thing, it's insanely fast. The airtime is phenomenal. There's quite a bit of it too. There's amazing positives. It's not the smoothest, but it doesn't need to be that smooth. It's a jack of all trades coaster, where it's like it's not absolutely the best at any particular thing, but it's really freaking good at everything. This ride, it's a winner. Okay, so I got a story to tell you. When I got off Millennium, it was maybe like, it must have been like 11 or so, and I have to leave at 12:30, no later. And so I thought, okay, I gotta get footage, and everything's at least over an hour, so I probably won't ride anything else for today. So I was walking around. I filmed a bunch of Millennium Force, and then I walked to Maverick, and I ran into someone that I met yesterday. In the queue line of Steel Vengeance, I ran into this employee who was off the clock, and he was around riding rides, and we said hi to him. We talked with him like throughout the entire queue line. It was great. But today I ran into him, and he happened to have exit passes, and because he works at the park, and he let me ride Maverick with an exit pass. Just walk right on, front row. That, like, Gavin, if you're watching this, dude, you completely made my whole trip. You are so incredibly nice, and thank you. I don't even know if you're watching this, but if you are, thank you, my guy. You're awesome. So I just got a ride on Maverick, and it, like, even though I rode it yesterday, I still forgot how intense that thing is. The second single dive completely whips you, like, to the left, and it almost hurts in a way. It's unbelievable. It is unreal. And just this, I don't even know. After yesterday, I ranked Steel Vengeance ahead of Maverick. I swapped the two places. But now, I don't even know. I might have to... I gotta rethink everything. But... today has been awesome so far. I don't even know what to say. Thank you, Gavin. Thank you. Thank you for getting me that ride. You're a real one. And with that, so that is my day at Cedar Point. These past 2 days have been awesome. I spent a collective maybe 6 hours in the park or so not too much, but I did get a ride on Millie, a ride on Steve, and 2 rides on Maverick, both front row. Now today I'm going to be driving all the way to Hershey, Pennsylvania, and tomorrow is Hershey Park. I'm so excited for Sky Rush. So with all that said, thank you guys so much for watching all the way to the end. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. If you didn't enjoy it, by all means, dislike it. And if you really enjoyed it, please subscribe. It means a lot. With that said, I'll see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.